Every year, thousands of children come to the United States seeking protection from persecution and torture in their own countries. The Trump administration has been doing everything it can to stop this flow of people seeking safety in America. In January 2019, the United States government was shut down for several weeks in a dispute between the president and Congress over building Trump's wall along the Mexican border. In the middle of this crisis, the president sent a letter to Congress telling Congress what he wanted to do with respect to immigration policy. And his number one agenda item was that Congress should repeal something called the Flores Settlement Agreement. In 1985, 15-year-old Jenny Flores and 12-year-old Alma Cruz fled from the civil wars in Central America to seek protection in the United States. Our government jailed them. Fortunately for the girls, Cruz's mother was the housekeeper for the actor Ed Asner. Asner hired a lawyer who brought the Flores class action, eventually resulting in the Flores Settlement Agreement. 35 years after the Flores case began, the Flores Settlement Agreement is still in effect, and it still means that children have to be let out of jail after no more than 20 days of processing. So you might wonder what would happen if the Flores Agreement were overturned, either by Congress or the courts. This would be a disaster for the children, because they would be jailed for months or years, and the psychological damage to them would be permanent. What's the alternative to jail? The answer was tried at the end of the Obama administration. It created the Family Case Management System, under which the families were released from jail after a few days of processing and assigned social workers to ensure that the families got the social services they needed, that the children went to school, and that the families showed up for every court appearance that they were required to attend. The program was tremendously successful. The families showed up in more than 94% of the cases for all of their court hearings. It was so successful that the Trump administration promptly canceled it, which makes you wonder, what is the Trump administration really trying to achieve?